Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to disable guided access on iPhone without password. So first of all, I'm gonna opening a app and I'm gonna tapping 3 times my side button, tapping on start, and as you can see the guided access has been enabled. And to disable this, again press 3 times on your side button, and you have to enter your passcode, and without passcode you won't be able to turn off or disable your guided access. So give your passcode and tap on end to the top left corner, and your guided access will be disabled. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.